What if I told you there is a way to achieve your goals and your dreams? Minsan kasi kinakapos tayo ng motivation, ng drive, ng willpower. We all have our reasons. Maybe excuses to some. And pwede natin sabihin, valid eh. Hindi kaya, busy. What if I told you there's a way to hit your goals? Kahit kulang ka na sa motivation, na-deplete ng willpower mo. You know what? What you need to have is a habit. A habit that will carry you through kahit tinatamad ka na. To some of you, meron kang mga habit na hindi mo intentionally binil pero nagkaroon ka na lang. Example, toothbrush. Di ba? Kahit pagod ka na, puyat ka na, di ba nagtutoothbrush ka pa rin? Pero sana, no? Sana. Pero in an ideal world, di ba ginagawa natin yun? Ganun din in reaching our goals. Hindi lang dapat tayo nakasalalay sa ating motivation or drive or enthusiasm in doing these things. What's important is we build the right habits para mas magawa natin even in our down days, even in the very busy days, magawa natin. If we build our habits right, habits in leading to our goals, so kahit anumang mapagdaanan natin, hindi natin feel, o baka heartbroken ka nun, or hirap na hirap ko nun, dahil hinahanap na ng katawan mo eh, araw-araw mo siyang ginagawa, you will still do it. So that's the way. Build the right habits and it would lead you to your goals.